Wah, ini dia FLA HOTPLATE. Nah, salah satu hotplate yang terkenal di kawasan Kota Malang. Untuk letaknya ada di Jalan Bungur nomor 33 di Kota Malang. Oke, setelah ini kita akan memesan yang pedas dan menghangatkan perut kita. Jangan kemana-mana, tetap bersama REFIN Jawa. REFIN Jawa, let's go. Ciao.
So a love so free in a world of our fantasy, flying on dragons through sky-high city. These are childhood dreams, it's how we used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Oh, 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 oh. Dreams. Our childhood dreams. Feeling. I feel so lightweight when I think back to those days. But then we went our own ways. I'm thinking about what needs to change, that we could turn back the page and live like our favorite fairy tales. So a love so free in a world of our fantasy, digging up treasures and sailing across the sea. These are childhood dreams, it's how we used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Oh, 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 oh. Our childhood dreams. Our childhood dreams, it's how it used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Sitting at the same old workplace. What's the point of this chase? To just bite our own tail. Wishing that something would change, that we could turn back the page and live like our favorite fairy tales. So a love so free in a world of our fantasy, flying on dragons through sky-high city. These are childhood dreams, it's how we used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Oh, 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 oh. Our childhood dreams. Feeling. I feel so lightweight when I think back to those days. But then we went our own ways. I'm thinking about what needs to change, that we could turn back the page and live like our favorite fairy tales. So a love so free in a world of our fantasy, digging up treasures and sailing across the sea. These are childhood dreams, it's how we used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams.
Oke, jadi makan hot plate-nya sudah selesai dan alhamdulillah cukup kenyang. Yaps, seperti biasa, jangan lupa tonton videonya sampai dengan selesai, kemudian komen, like, dan subscribe. Salam perut kenyang, salam sehat, salam REFIN. Let's go, ciao, bye.